Hey guys, so I came onto Thingiverse today and I found this articulated butterfly by 8ran. I've been wanting to do an articulated model on the Tevo Tarantula just to see how the joints all match up. So let's go ahead and download this one and give it a shot. So I'm going to download it now, take it over into Cura. Let's see, there we go. Okay, I'll take it over into Cura and let's check it out. Okay, so now we're over here in Cura. I want to go ahead and check out everything now that I've changed my bed alignment a little bit. You know, got my offset set on the X axis, and I've got the Y axis set back to where it should be printing on the center. I want to print as large as I can, so I'm going to go ahead and download the articulated butterfly onto here. I want to change the scale. There we go. Let's take it up. I don't want to take it all the way, but let's take it right there. That should be good. Of course, if I want to print even bigger, let's rotate it and see if I can print bigger. Going kind of side. No, I'll just go ahead and leave it like it was. Okay, and I was printing something earlier that I don't need no 50% on the infill. Let's go with zigzag pattern. And make sure I got my fuzzy skin turned off. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to save this to the SD card and let's see how it works. Okay guys, so that was 5 hours and 35 minutes. Let's take a look here and see how she turned out. I did have to downsize it just a hair, and I'll tell you why. See where the board is over here? It was coming over so far, the fan was hitting. So I had to downsize it just a hair. So I need to do something about moving this over. I'll figure something out later on so I can get the full build volume of it. There we go. I'll tell you what, these build tack spatulas make life so much easier. There we go. Now that first layer is pretty, you can see all the stuff is on my build plate from the past prints. I need to get it a good cleaning. But that bottom layer, it's squished down pretty good, so it probably isn't going to be the most flexible going downward, but going upward though, that's actually pretty cool. Now that one seems a little bit tight. I probably just need to clean it up a little bit between those areas. I don't think there's enough room there, period, for that thing to flop much on the corners. But still, the more you play with it, of course, the easier it gets more flexibility to it. That's pretty cool. I love the articulated models. I've printed a few of them, and I really like how they turn out. This is just really, really cool. Anyway, guys, at least I got my build plate where it's pretty much centered. You can see the outline of it. It's pretty close. I might be able to do a X offset just a little bit more that way, a few more. Probably go to the 19 millimeters where I had it before, and it'll be perfect. But that's a pretty cool model. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you get a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you'll be able to take and purchase merchandise like this from my TeePublic store, or go to the Amazon affiliate and be able to purchase that merchandise from there. Every little bit helps the channel. I sure appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out my Patreon page over here. And if you like to watch my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to like them. Oh yeah, you're going to love them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.